In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Zoho Mail. Whether you're accessing your email for work or personal use, logging into Zoho Mail is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho Mail website. You can do this by typing in the URL www.zoho.com/mail into the address bar and hitting enter. This will take you to the Zoho Mail homepage where you'll find everything you need to get started. Once on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Zoho Mail sign-in page where you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Now, in the first field, you'll need to type in your Zoho Mail email address. Be sure to enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your email address, click the Next button, which will guide you to the password entry page. On this next screen, you'll see a field where you should type in your Zoho Mail password. Make sure you enter your password carefully, paying attention to capitalization and any special characters, as passwords are case sensitive. If you happen to forget your password, there is an option to reset it, but ideally it's best to keep track of it for an easy login process. Once you've entered your password, simply click the Sign In button, and that's it. You should now be successfully logged into your Zoho Mail account, ready to send and receive emails, manage your inbox, and access all the features Zoho Mail has to offer. And there you have it. Logging into Zoho Mail is as simple as that. If you encounter any issues, make sure to double check your email and password for any typos. It's always a good idea to ensure that your caps lock key is not accidentally turned on, as this can lead to incorrect password entry. I hope this guide was helpful, making your Zoho Mail login process smooth and hassle-free. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.